Namaste. In this video I will demonstrate how to create an Amazon AWS account. Visit the Amazon Web Services website at www.aws.amazon.com. Click on Create an account. Enter your email ID. Enter your account name as you wish. Click on the Verify Email Address button. Enter the verification code you just received in your email inbox. Click on the Verify Email Address button. Create your password. Confirm your password. Hit the Continue button. Select the radio button. How do you plan to use AWS? I will select Personal. Enter your name, phone number, full address with postal code. Click Tick Mark and hit Continue. Enter your debit or credit card information. Select the billing address or enter a new address for billing. Do you have a PAN? Select Yes or No as you wish. Hit the Verify and Continue button for the next step. Verify your card with OTP. Verify your phone number through text or voice call. Select a country, enter your phone number, enter CAPTCHA code. Hit the button for call or SMS. Confirm your identity by entering the code you just received through a voice call or SMS. Hit the Continue button. In the final step, select a support plan as you wish. I will select Basic Support Free Plan. Click on the Go to the AWS Management Console button. Click on the Sign into the console button. Now sign into your account, select Root User option, enter email ID and AWS password. Hit the Sign In button. Your Amazon AWS account dashboard is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.